Okay, I'm good. We have some sad news today. It's cracked. Oh, you can see like, oh yeah, you can kind of see the core on the side there, but it's like cracked all the way through. Took it out with me to dinner for one evening, put it in the car, and then we didn't go bowling and brought it back in the house, and next thing I know, it's cracked already. So you know what that means. It's time to go buy a new ball. Alright, we're at the go of all bowling lanes in Austin. Highland Lane. Looking to get this ball, 15 pounds. Really considered that ball. Also really considered this ball. So just got my Phaze II drill. We went with the orange inserts and pink thumb insert, thumb slugs. But yeah. Alright, let's try it. Try playing more inside. The first time I'm throwing this ball. Got caught on my thumb this time. Second ball. A little bit better. I had to straighten out my thumb. I feel like I had a bad habit of bending my thumb. Gotta play a little bit more inside, but that felt a whole lot better. I feel like I cut my wrist a little bit more. Okay, felt a little bit better. A little bit weaker. Maybe I need to cut my wrist more. That's right. I didn't even notice. The first gutter ball. I tried bending my elbow there a little bit more. A little bit aggressive.
I think it feels pretty good overall though.
Did too much elbow there. Must scratch up my ball at the straight. Alright, same thing. I'm really trying my elbow. This 15-pound ball is heavy. I can feel my lats. Okay. So now we have more hook. I can feel my elbow bending more. Oh yeah, that felt good. That felt much better. Wow, that ball hooks a ton. This ball's crazy. I knew I didn't put enough elbow in that one. Wow. Wait, this ball's actually so good. What the heck? Oh, it's gutter. How am I gonna strike in the gutter after that? I need to get my consistency on my aim better. Oh, not too bad. I didn't bend my elbow on that one. I think I'm already getting tired. I'm sweating too. Man, that ball hooks a ton. Wow. I think it's pretty good overall though. One more strike and I think I'm good. Dang, this ball hooks a ton. Wow. I need to push it out wider. Actually, I need to move my feet left a little bit. I'm gonna move 2 boards to the left. Aim for the same spot. Wow. The 10 pin. But I think that was a good ball overall. I'm gonna hit the same line. Maybe we'll get luckier with the pin action this time. 1, 2. 2 boards to the left. Okay, I'm good. Wow, that ball's amazing.